Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your plans and can create reminders that sync across your devices. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on My Plans to view all the plans you're part of or have created yourself. This section displays all your active workspaces, making it easy to organize different projects and tasks. Next, from the list of plans that appears, click on the specific plan where you want to set your reminder. This could be a personal plan, a work project, or any other board you've set up for tracking tasks. Opening the plan gives you access to all its tasks and allows you to add new ones. Once your plan is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a view option labeled Grid. Click on it to switch to the grid view. This layout makes it easier to see all your tasks at once and provides a more organized way to manage your reminders, especially when you're working with multiple tasks across different buckets. Now you're ready to create your reminder. Click on Add New Task at the top of the grid. This opens up a new task entry where you can input all the necessary details for your reminder. Think of this task as your personal notification system within Planner. In the task name field, type in a descriptive name for your reminder. Be specific about what you need to be reminded of, whether it's a meeting, deadline, or personal task. A clear name helps you instantly recognize what the reminder is about when you check your plan later. Next, you'll see a field labeled Assign To. Click on it and assign the task to yourself. This is crucial because you're creating this reminder for your own use, and assigning it to yourself ensures you'll receive notifications about it when the due date approaches. Now comes the most important part of setting up your reminder. Click on the due date field and select the date and time when you want to be reminded. This is essentially when you want the notification to trigger, so choose carefully based on when you need to complete or be aware of this task. The due date acts as your alarm system within Microsoft Planner. To make your reminder more visible and prioritized, you can set its importance level. Click on the priority field and select either urgent or important depending on how critical this reminder is to you. Marking it as urgent will make it stand out more in your task list, ensuring you don't overlook it when the time comes. And that's it, you've successfully set up a reminder in Microsoft Planner that will help you stay on top of your tasks and commitments. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.